Okay, this time we're going to make it right. So go back to cities. So cities we want to do is that add a field that will be city number. City number. City number that will be text. Length is 5. And then another field is city name number. City name number text. And then 50. And save. Close this out. Close this out. Okay, then I have a cities. And then backing cities. Oh, actually I don't need it. Okay, so city number, calculate field. We want 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want everything from here. So 1. Okay, so we will do the geo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will start from 6, okay? From 6 to which one? 1, 2, 3. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will say 11th. Okay, click run. There. So that we miss one, it should be 5. 5 to 11th. Click run again. There. So we have it. Okay, now and right click city, name number, calculate field. It will be city. Our city plus city number. Oh, plus the equal sign. Okay, plus the equal sign. If we want space, that plus the equal sign space and plus, okay, and then plus space, okay, equals to the city number. There, click run. There, that's the result, okay. Let me check it. Perfect. Okay, now we have it. Okay, so, and I don't have to save it. Perfect. And now we're going to join tables. So the next step we're going to do is join the column of the census data table to the attribute of table tracts by matching the value of GeoID from the census data table to GeoID 10 number of tracts. So this is one-to-one join, so each record of both tables finds a single matching record. So each time we're going to open a project with a table join, the join is recreated on the fly. To make a permanent tract and census data table join, we can export the tracts feature class to a new feature class. Then the join attributes are permanent in the new feature class. So we want to publish a feature class with a table join in ArcGIS Online. We must take the join permanent. So now, we are still here, and then we will do is drag this. Oh, no. Go back to view and contents. Bring it back. Okay, and then we're going to click Tracks, right click on it, and Joins and Relates. We will say Add Join. And in the geoprocessing pane, we're going to make sure the following section, that input join field will be geo ID 10 and census data. Output join field is geo ID, and keep all the records, click Run. And when we finish, we're going to close it and open the tracks attribute table and scroll to the right and verify if it joins the data to our attribute tracks table. So it says successfully, and right click on it, open attribute table. Oh, see, something wrong is here. Object ID, geo ID, so object ID. I think something wrong is here, so we will have to fix it. So right click on it and joins and relates. We're going to remove all joints. Oh, no. Just remove all joints. So it's better save. Where is joints and relates? Right here. And then remove all joints. Click yes and right click on it again. Joins and relates, add join, and then tracks. So it's draw ID. So where is our draw ID? It's this one. I think that was the issue here. Let's see again. Still null value. I think something wrong is the draw ID thing. Did we fix it? So let's see. Open attribute table. Okay, that was the issue. Okay. Let's fix it real quick. Previously, I don't remember if I saved it or not. So now going to wheel fields, and this one we will create this will be geo ID number, and this one this time it will be text, and so it will be long numeric. So remember we changed the fields. Let's see. Double. Yeah. So this one was double. Double. Okay. Do we have to set up length? Okay. That's it. And then we saved it, and we were back in here. Double. Okay. Double. Huh. Right here. So I'm going to calculate field, and this one equals to tracks 10, click run. Perfect. And I'm going to remove all the joins. So now this is matching open attribute table. So it's matching this one. That was the issue because we have the 0 here. We mentioned it previously. Then what we're going to do is back on our tracks, joins and relates, remove all joins. Yes, remove that. Okay. And then joins and relates again. Add join, geo right. Okay, this will be our geo number. Geo number. Okay, geo ID number. This one match. Okay, click run. Now this time it should add everything here. There. So that's the number. It's not false and everything added here. Perfect. Okay, and now we're going to close all the table and we're going to export a feature class to make a join permanent. So this is temporary, and if we close it out, we didn't save it, nothing happens. So now we're going to turn the join attributes of census data into permanent attributes of the tracks attribute table by exporting the tracks feature class, and we will clean up the attributes of the exported feature class. So now I'm going to not close this out. I don't need the catalog right now. So I'm going to close this, close this, close this, and close this. Okay, and now right click on this and go to Data, Export Features, and Tracks feature class. So I can just say tracks joined. Okay, joined. Then I'm going to click run, and then we will have to see. Okay, and now we're going to delete the fields from the Miracle attribute table tracks 010 sensors object ID and sensors data geo ID added field name to delete table prefix. For example, added tracks geo number to this, delete the field name. We don't have to do this. So copy and paste the alias column or type, which is necessary for loan names. Are these places Maricopa County, where Hispanics typically have higher per capita income than whites, symbolize this graduate symbol colors for symbology. Oh, so we will do this part, okay? Standard deviation for method, and one standard deviation for interval size, and red green for color scheme. Label and move city to the top of the contents pane, and we can see many places throughout Phoenix and Chandler where Hispanics are more than whites. So the tracks that have a white color are the ones for which no data was available or income for Hispanics. So now we can just save the project. So everything is here. So did it add a join? And I don't, the city, I can just move it up, down a little bit. Actually, I will move it up and make it hollow. Okay, outline color, so I would do a little dark gray, maybe 3. Okay, click apply, and then back to symbology. Yes, apply it, and then close symbology, and right click on this label there. So perfect. And for the label, I'm going to do a little bit oopsies labeling class field is city. Yep. And going to make it bigger. So right now it's 10. We will do 15, and we will do bold. Okay, bold. Okay. Now we see the cities. And then we will do is tracks join. Right click on it, go to symbology, graduated symbol map, right? Graduated color. Okay, and then we will do method is standard deviation 1, and then colors. Field, ratio Hispanic, and normalize. No, normalize standard deviation, and standard deviation 1, and oh, you got to kidding me. So standard deviation, I will do 5 classes. How many classes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it is 7 classes. So okay, 7 is fine. But I do want to change the color symbol. Oh, there. So the color symbol is red to green. Red to green, red to green, red to green, red to green, red to green right here. Red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. Yep, red, yellow, green. Nice, perfect. Okay, that's nice, and that's it. And then we can save it. And we will do save. Yep, and we will move to attribute queries. So one of the major innovations of GIS technology nearly 50 years ago was linking